Hi, I'm Sally, your guide to smart hustles and digital success. And honestly, I'm excited you're here because this means you're already taking a real step forward. Maybe you're just curious about affiliate marketing, or maybe you're seriously looking for a way to earn online. Either way, you're in the right place. Affiliate marketing sounds complicated, but it's really simple. You share products you like and trust. When someone buys through your special link, you earn a commission. No product to create, no shipping, no customer service headaches. Just honest recommendations that actually help people. So, where do you start? Easy. Begin with what excites you. What do you talk about when you're with friends? Travel, tech, food, books, gadgets? Write down 3 topics you could chat about for 10 minutes straight. That's your niche. Next, find programs that fit. Big names like Amazon, Impact, or Awin cover almost anything. But don't forget your favorite brands. Many have affiliate programs too. Just Google your topic plus affiliate program and you'll find more than you expect. Once you're accepted, you'll get your special link. That's your golden ticket. You can place it in a blog post, a YouTube video, even a simple social media tip. If someone clicks and buys, even days later, you get paid. But here's the truth. Affiliate marketing isn't magic money. Real results come with trust, patience, and actually caring about your audience. Here are the rules I live by. Be honest, help first, sell later, start small, track what works, and don't be afraid to experiment. Most important, don't quit just because it feels awkward or slow at first. Everyone starts there. The ones who win are the ones who keep going. So here's what you can do today. Write down 3 topics. Search programs, sign up, create 1 post, and celebrate every tiny win. And if you want step-by-step guidance, templates, or my favorite beginner tools, you'll find them all in my full guide. But even if you just use what I shared here, you're already ahead of most beginners. Thanks for hanging out with me today. You matter, your story matters, and I can't wait to see where your journey goes. So give affiliate marketing a try, and remember, just don't give up. I'm Sally, and I'm always here to help.